it's a vlog, but people know her.
You should always.
People
warn-
know.
Oh, I have to.
People know her
Hello.
from like 20 years in my life.
Mashallah.
Neelu Ignatius, how about you feature on my vlog today? Let's do something sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah, like
No.
get to know me through Neelu.
Oh Lord. फंस गई.
Some questions. Okay, by the way, नीलू को मैं हमेशा last minute warn करती हूँ कि मैं आ रही हूँ and she has to get ready in literally 10 minutes.
Yes, I was ready.
And Neelu is number 5 like me, so she's obsessed about being on time. Okay, so Assalamu alaikum, Papa. So this right here, right next to this tree, and behind this very pillar is where my Papa is laid to rest. So every time that I'm here at Yari Road, passing by, I always pay my salam to Papa and I feel like I am talking to him. And it's just the most crazy feeling that I cannot explain. But yeah, Assalamu alaikum, Papa. I feel like he can hear my voice. Anyway, नीलू ने कहा इमोशनल नहीं होना है तो मैं इमोशनल नहीं होंगी, बट इन आंसुओं का क्या करूं, बाबू मोशाए. ये तो कम बखत आ ही जाते हैं.
जिंदगी छोटी नहीं होनी चाहिए.
लंबी लंबी
हमारे काम में खूबसूरत होनी चाहिए.
नहीं क्या,
लंबी तो है.
नहीं ये कहावत कुछ और है. रुको, जिंदगी लंबी नहीं, नहीं जिंदगी लंबी नहीं,
छोटी नहीं.
नहीं ये लाइन मुझे पता है. देखो, हमेशा मैं अपने व्लॉग में ना एक डायलॉग से छोड़ देती हूँ जो फाइनली लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि ये डायलॉग क्या था. तो चलो जल्दी से बताओ कि ये डायलॉग क्या था. जिंदगी लंबी नहीं, क्या होनी चाहिए? अरे
बड़ी होनी चाहिए.
बड़ी होनी चाहिए. करेक्ट नीलू इग्नेशियस, सुपर्ब.
मुशाए, जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं.
So anyway, let me just wipe my tears before my mascara goes away. Anyway, so this was an impromptu plan, and we are going for lunch. And I always do that. जब भी मुझे निकलना होता है मैं नीलू को 2 मिनट में फोन करती हूँ. नीलू से क्या 10 मिनट, बट वो क्या बोलने के बाद 10 मिनट में हम रेडी हो जाते हैं. So I've just picked her up. We're going for lunch and we'll see you there. Bye. So हम ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम लंच कहाँ करें.
I checked your time when you called me. Said 19
Great one. This is going to go beep. हाँ तो क्या बोल रही थी? 10 मिनट था क्या?
मैंने कहा Go calls me and says, okay, you have so much time to come. And I checked my time and I'm like, नहाई भी नहीं हूँ. So then फिर मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, आप नहीं करो तो हम तो जाएंगे ना जहाँ हमें करना है. तो
बट कौन बोल सकता है ये शक्ल बिना नहाई हुई है?
नहीं नहा के
आई.
बराबर नहा के लिपि पोते करके फिर आए हैं बाहर.
दिस इज द फेमस गुरुद्वारा एट वर्सोवा. अच्छा ये वाली जगह है जो नई जगह है. ठीक है, ओके. सो हम जा रहे हैं अंदर, खाना खा लेते हैं. ओके बाय. बाय द वे, हाँ chichori and bigger chichori. But by the way, both of us are teetotalers. We've never had alcohol in our lives. Maybe she's tasted it sometime.
Yes, I did.
So आप बोल रही थी
कि मैं बहुत खूबसूरत हूँ.
So basically, she is born on the 14th of July and I'm born on the 23rd of August, and that's why we are both like number 5. And Nigar जब हमारे साथ होती है तो there's a big debate. Nigar is obviously her best friend, so Nigar keeps saying that, oh my God, she's my best friend, she can't be like you and all of that. But
And Shad is number 2.
I hate to break it to her that Neelu and I are very similar. Her husband Shaju, like you've seen them in all our everything, even on her Khan sisters. Shaju is number 2 because he's born on the 20th of March and Nigar is born on the 2nd of May. So ऐसा हो जाता है कि हम नंबर 5 होते हैं और वो नंबर 2. So they're always like jamming on that fact. But anyway, so let me give you a questionnaire, okay? We're in a very noisy place, but a lovely place called Shelter at Versova. I'm giving मुफ्त का review. They were kind enough to give me Wi-Fi because there's absolutely no network here and they don't give Wi-Fi to everybody. But मैंने request किया और मुझे Wi-Fi मिल गया है.
Because मैं गोर खान हूँ.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है लेकिन yes, I did throw in my name a little bit. Whatever. But yeah, okay. So Neelu.
Hi.
I'm going to ask her some random questions. It's a completely not planned video, so if you don't like it, it's okay if you don't subscribe. But if you subscribe, that means we did a great job.
I'm caught in a situation.
Yes, but we are very in a loud place, so you have to talk loudly, Neelu. Neelu Ignatius, how long have you known me?
20 years.
Taunty. Yeah, we were very taunty in those 20 years. But listen, do you know that she and Hina auntie are the only two people जिनके साथ मैं पंजाबी में बात करती हूँ. Because जब पंजाबी फिल्म मैंने कर ली तो मैंने पूरी पंजाबी सीख ली थी. तो उसके साथ she is my practice person for my Punjabi.
But remember, this is a word called जवाक.
जवाक.
So एक सवाल गौहर पंजाब से शूट करके आती है and she says, अच्छा बताओ छोटे बच्चों को पंजाबी में क्या बोलते हैं? ऐसे न्याना? तो she's like, no, 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 no. You remember her? No, no,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
In Big Boss also she
Yeah.
said, no, no, no.
Oh my God, that became so viral. That
Yeah.
no. Oh my God,
So
yeah.
then she said, बच्चों को बोलते हैं जवाक. I mean, oh fish, yes. And that's when I like.
And she's got full Pindo wali Punjabi, huh? So she's very like thate like that, very good with her Punjabi, yeah. And she didn't know Jawak. I was like, Arre, wow, I know that.
I was like full marks.
But anytime I have to polish my Punjabi, we start chatting in Punjabi. And then I know, oh shit, मेरी practice बहुत खराब हो रही है. So then I'm like, Neelu, please talk to me in Punjabi. Anyway,
तो
so
आज भी हम बात करते हैं
हाँ.
पंजाबी में.
ਹੋਰ ਭੈਣਾ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ?
ਵਧੀਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਾਓ.
ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਚੰਗਾ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ. ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਥੇ
ਅਲਹਮਦੁਲਿਲਾ.
ਲੰਚ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਆਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸਰਸ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖੋ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਣ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਟੀਚਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੀ ਹੈ.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੇਠ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਿਖਾ ਦਾਂਗੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਸ ਗੱਲ ਬਣਾਓ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ.
ਹਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸੁੰਦਰ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਐਕਟਿੰਗ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ. ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸੋਚ ਲਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ.
That's so go ahead. Me
first. Anyway, you want to tell them about how I was at my swimming lessons when we used to go together?
Oh God. Me, Shaju, Nigar and Gauhar
5 बजे सुबह जाते थे हम लोग स्विमिंग सीखने 5 बजे. हाँ.
क्योंकि हमको ब्रेकफास्ट की भूख होती थी कि ब्रेकफास्ट करने जाएंगे. That's why early morning classes.
क्लास करने के बाद सीधा हम टूट पड़ते थे स्वदेश में.
Swadesh or those crab place.
Yeah.
And then we went for classes. Sir कुछ सिखाते थे and she was like, I'm
No. He used to ask, कौन जाएगा पहले? I used to say, me. And then Neelu used to just roll her eyes. ये me first लड़की. Yeah.
And that's उसका नाम फिर उससे वहाँ से हमने.
She used to call me first. Yeah.
And this woman is yet like that.
Yeah.
कुछ करना हो, चलो घर में भी अगर कुछ काम करना हो. अच्छा नीलू लिसन ये लोग आए हैं तो कैन यू जस्ट टेक केयर. नीलू को जिम्मेदारी देकर फिर खुद भी करना.
No, but can I tell you something? No, can I tell you something? घर का कोई भी फंक्शन हो जिंदगी में, I can just close my eyes and know that even if I don't ask, Neelu will be there like 100%. घर की शादियाँ, घर के फंक्शन, जिहान का बर्थडे चलो बहुत ही रीसेंट है. जिहान के बर्थडे का खानदान वाला फंक्शन, हर चीज़ में देखूँ मैं कहाँ भी Neelu is at her job. She is making sure that everyone is fed, everyone is taken care of. Because I don't even have to ask. She is like my father used to say, ये तो मेरी 5वीं बेटी है. Because she has done everything. Like बोलना नहीं पड़ता, कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता. Even when my papa was admitted in the hospital in his last final days, she was there there were times where I had to shoot after staying with him like 5-6 days, and then I had to really go for shoot, and then Neelu would subah se raat tak she would sit in the hospital, and then Zaid and I would switch. But I can never forget.
अभी इमोशनल हो रहे हैं.
Yeah, but it's true. Like अच्छी बात बोलते बोलते I'm like remembering the important parts, you know, like even when Papa was in the ICU, Neelu and Shadu were like,
But there's never been a formality in a रिश्ता.
there's no formality ever.
चलो आ जाओ अच्छा ये
Yeah.
करो. You know, same here. I also don't have to wait and ask
Yeah.
you यार गौहर को फोन करूँ, निगार को फोन करूँ, आओगे जाओगे. Rightfully अच्छा निगार यहाँ जाना है आ जा. कहो ये करना है चलो. You know,
Yeah.
that kind of रिश्ता. Literally बहनों वाला. So I am yes the family.
Yeah, and there's no judgments. Like we don't have to meet for weeks and months, but we know that we're there for each other, and that's what matters.
Our
Anyway,
backhand is secure always.
yeah, and anyway, नीलू के बच्चे माशाल्लाह 15-18 साल के हो गए हैं अभी. नहीं हो गए? नहीं हो गए?
16, 18.
Why are you so shocked?
15 बोली ना.
मतलब वही approximately बोल रही हूँ. But they have always called Nigar and me khalas, Gaur khala, Nigar khala, Zach's khala, like that. But now even Neelu has someone to call khala or puppy or mumani, whatever they choose. So Zihan will be that for them. Anyway, तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा बातें कर रहे हैं. Let's do some fun questions. Am I खर्चीली इंसान or am I like बचत वाली इंसान?
She knows how to balance it and जहाँ पे वाकई में घुसाना पैसा she like अरे करो यार एक ही बार जीना है and जहाँ पे it's going waste she will like फालतू में वेस्ट करना है. like यहाँ पे भी अभी हम कुछ सैलड का देख रहे थे and she like it should be worth the salary. इतना से दे रहे हैं आप हजारों ले रहे हैं
यार नहीं तो
there she question. बट अगर कुछ किसी के लिए लेना है या फिर कुछ बाहर फैमिली के लिए कुछ करना है तो she will not even think once. तो yeah, she knows how to balance it. Perfect.
Okay, am I fun at a party or am I a boring person?
She's like me, so yeah, very into everybody. सबके पास जाके पूछना करना. Yeah, it's fun to be around.
Yeah, but if I'm visiting someone else's party who I don't know too much, then I am like,
No, then you hold your horses. Then
yeah. Then I'm like आधे घंटे में चले जाओ.
वो आधा घंटा कभी नहीं आता.
Yeah, I know. But I
फॉर्मेलिटी में खड़ी रहती
हाँ,
है.
I stay.
चलो ठीक है यार.
Yeah,
Let me
correct.
not look bad leaving, coming and leaving like a star.
Yeah. What is your craziest memory of me? Do you have any crazy like crazy memory?
Yeah, I have many, but here, beep 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 beep.
Anything that you can share?
No, it's
All
too
controversial?
private. No, sub controversial, but can't be talked in here.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Am I the way I am when you see me on my vlogs or anything that you see me on? Like, am I?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
that me? So
Yeah,
that my
absolutely.
audience knows.
Absolutely ऐसी ही है और कहीं पे भी फिल्टर नहीं है. Not
और मैं इतनी ही बात करती हूँ.
हाँ यहाँ पे जबान पे जो है वो बोल देना, दिल पे जो बोल रहे हैं वो बोल देना. So yeah, sorted here, माशाल्लाह. And here also.
Oh, thanks.
Whatever.
Okay. हम लोग कहीं ट्रैवल किए नीलू साथ में?
Kashmir was our last.
Correct.
Your video.
So when we were shooting for the video with Afsana Khan, Neelu and Nigar both were with us in Sonmarg, and that was one of the best trips we've had. We had so much fun. Remember
And
that
the dinner?
bonfire?
Bonfire? Oh yes.
It was
They
so
took the
good.
longest to do it for us, but they did it, and it was so beautiful. हम उसके अगल बगल नाचे हैं. We
एंड
did
सोनमार्ग
Bhangra.
के उस वक्त सारे होटल्स बंद हो रहे थे बिकॉज स्नोफॉल शुरू होने वाला
बहुत
था.
जबरदस्त था.
बट हमारा होटल खुला था और उसमें शायद हमारे अलावा और कोई नहीं था.
Yeah.
बट दिस स्टिल डिड लाइक अ लिटिल bonfire for us and we had so much fun. In fact, if I have that little video, I will put it in the vlog. Okay, I will show you that video in case I can find it. But yeah, that was a fun trip.
Fun, and the way she was shooting, हम लोग सब थिएटर में टेंट के अंदर बैठे हैं with our own heater.
Yeah.
And this woman.
And
was
Nigar
wearing-
is the biggest chichori, by the way. They were stopping everywhere. Neelu and Nigar were on their own trip, and they were stopping everywhere and making videos like
Because
pagal.
she was working.
Yeah.
We were there for fun.
Yeah, I was
Obviously.
working and I was literally freezing my cotton shalwar kameez.
Beep beep.
Yeah, as is fine, I guess. जो तुमने गाड़ी में गाली दी उसको. Anyway, okay, this was our vlog today. That's it. I think we've spoken too much. Yeah, we're going to go have our lunch now. But just in case we miss out on anything, we'll probably show you our lunch and talk a little more then. Okay, bye. My battery is very low. So jaldi jaldi bolungi. Khana is very good. I've ordered seaweed, avocado and egg salad. And this is the prawn, tiger prawn, coconut curry with brown rice. And that's the overnight soaked oat bowl, which I love. I absolutely love oats, overnight soaked chia seed, anything to do with an acai bowl or muesli. So yeah, just ये बताना था कि खाना बहुत अच्छा है. आना है तो आ जाना. Shelter Versova, JP Road.